ClickUp is a powerful, customizable platform that can help you streamline your sales processes, manage client relationships, and boost productivity. Let's walk through the essential steps to get you set up for success. To begin, set up your CRM space. This is where all your customer-related information and tasks will be stored, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Within this space, create folders like clients, leads, and projects. Each of these will contain lists to store specific data, helping you categorize and manage your CRM effectively. ClickUp allows you to tailor your CRM by adding custom fields. These are crucial for capturing key client data like contact info, company names, and deal stages. You can customize these fields to match your needs, whether it's text, drop-downs, dates, or numbers, ensuring all your information is organized and easily retrievable. To make your CRM data more visual and accessible, take advantage of ClickUp's views. Use the list view to see all tasks at once, the board view for a Kanban-style layout of your leads, and the calendar view to track important dates. You can also use filters and sorting to narrow down data, like filtering for leads in a specific deal stage or sorting by client type. ClickUp's Relationships feature allows you to link tasks together, say, connecting a lead to the corresponding client or project. This helps create context and gives you a better understanding of your workflow. In addition, roll-ups summarize related tasks, providing you with quick, at-a-glance insights without having to open every task. Set up lead capture forms that potential clients can fill out directly on your website. These forms will automatically populate your CRM with new lead information, streamlining your lead generation process. It's a great way to keep things automated while capturing all necessary client details. ClickUp's automation features take care of repetitive tasks for you. Whether it's sending follow-up emails, updating task statuses, or setting reminders when a lead is contacted, automating these actions saves you time and keeps your processes running smoothly. One of the standout features of ClickUp is its dashboards. You can create custom dashboards to visualize important metrics like sales performance, lead conversion rates, and customer engagement. These dashboards provide an overview of your CRM's performance, helping you make data-driven decisions. To keep your CRM accurate and efficient, it's important to update client records regularly. Encourage your team to input data consistently to ensure everything remains current. A well-maintained CRM helps you stay on top of your customer relationships. Setting up ClickUp as a CRM is straightforward, and by following these steps, you can create a tailored system that enhances your sales processes and improves customer relationships. From custom fields to automation, ClickUp provides everything you need to manage your CRM effectively. For more hands-on guidance, check out tutorial videos on YouTube that demonstrate these features in action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing ClickUp.